Hi, I'm Kyle, I'm an illustrator, and I'm going to take you through some tips on drawing manga and chibi. Right, I'm going to show you how to draw manga in your own unique style, and to help do that I'm going to take you through a few of the big overarching styles that you get in Japanese manga. I'm going to start off here with the pretty girl. I think, forgive my poor pronunciation, but I think this genre is known as Videojug in Japan. Feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. So I'm just starting out the big old circle there. I'm actually going to bring in the jawline a little bit tighter than I would do if I was drawing another manga face, or any face for that matter. I'm bringing these in this way, like so. You want to get a lot more sort of roundness and softness, and you're really just looking for real cuteness with this character, with this style of character rather. Okay, so thinking about where the neck meets on there, you want to keep the neck quite slender. Okay, so I'm going to start by marking out where the eyes are. Now, with pretty girl characters, the eyes tend to be massive, really big, full of little sparkly reflections, and really just to try and sell the cuteness of the character. So nice and big there. There's still an eye's distance between the eyes, just to keep it in proportion. Now, the nose will be about there. The nose is actually really quite small and not a negligible detail, but it's really just something that's a bit by the by. We'll come to that when we come to it though. I'm just going to mark out just about where the mouth's going to be. Okay, let's come back up to the eyes. Like I said, they need to be really big. So I'm just going to mark out the top of this eye is. Just as it corners back in, think about, especially when you've got the top and bottom this far apart, think about where that little corner comes down on a diagonal. Now, with these characters, the iris and the pupil tend to be like, they can be quite big and round, or especially with this sort of style of eye, quite thin, even like really incredibly thin. So I'm actually just going to try doing one of those sort of thin ellipse eyes, like that. You don't want to make it too thin, because you can make characters look like quite feline, and unless you're doing one of those catgirl sort of characters, then I guess that kind of works. I'm just going to mark out where the pupil is. I'm just going to draw in the nose, which is often, like I said, often very small, but not negligible, but it's just a little symbol of a thing here. Shade it there. It's just showing you where the shadow of the nose falls. I'm just going to draw the mouth here. Ooh, a bit of a slip there. It's okay. Can always play around with that still. Or just sketching these out. Think about the point of the lid there. I'm actually going to Draw the big open mouth smile. Okay, I'm just going to finish off by working on the hair here. Think about where the hairline is. I've actually noticed I've not quite. I made her a little too short in the top of the head there. Not to worry. Just think about where the parting is going to be, where the hairline's going to be, and where the crown is. So I'm just going to give this character some pigtails. And that's how to draw a pretty girl character.